Hey, everyone. Today, I'm incredibly excited to bring you a review of the new design gaming PC high-trend configuration i7 E5-2650 CPU with 16GB brand for personal use DIY assembly desktop PC gamer. This customized computer is perfect for gaming, office work, mining, and even deep learning. With options for various CPUs including Intel Xeon E5 E5-2650 and AMD Ryzen Threadripper, as well as GPUs like GeForce RTX 30 series and AMD Radeon Trademark HD 6000 series, this PC is a powerhouse for any task you throw at it. The super fast processing power of the Intel Xeon E5-2650, LGA 2000, and 11 slot, and the realistic graphics of the Turing Core GTX 1050/GTX 750 dedicated video memory ensure that you can run even the most demanding games and CPU-intensive tasks without a hitch. Plus, with the best-in-class storage of 240GB/256GB SSDs, your games load faster and you can enjoy immersive gaming without the hassle of slower loading times. As if that wasn't enough, this Intel desktop gaming PC comes with shining cooler fans and customizable RGB LEDs, adding a stylish touch to your setup. And the best part? The fast delivery, good gaming effects, and good package make this a top choice for any gamer or professional user. Now, if you're worried about potential issues with shipping or the product itself, don't be. We are committed to helping our customers through any problems they encounter and making sure they are satisfied with their purchase. Plus, we offer the option to add an extra HDD for more space or change the graphics card if needed. So, if you're in the market for a new gaming PC that offers bleeding-edge performance, super fast processing power, realistic graphics, best-in-class storage, and a touch of style, then the new design gaming PC high-trend configuration i7 E5-2650 CPU with 16GB brand for personal use DIY assembly desktop PC gamer is the perfect choice for you. I highly recommend checking it out and purchasing it through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to upgrade your gaming or work setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.